Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Louis Vika Bharati Vidya Mandir. Let us come to the lesson Reading and Analysis of Map. In this lesson, the next topic is. Now, let us learn about the thematic map. A thematic map is a type of map or chart especially designed to show a particular theme connected with a specific geographic area. These maps might represent physical, social, political, cultural, economic, sociological, agriculture, or any other aspects of a city, state, region, nation, or continent. The main objective of a physical map is to show landforms, water bodies like lakes, rivers, and oceans, and other geographical features which include mountains, deserts, and lowlands as well. The political map gives information regarding countries, states, capital, districts, mandals, etc. There also exist land use of maps. The show use of lands. Suppose in a village, some parts of the land is utilized for raising food, crop, while some other parts are for residential purpose. In a land use map, different kind of symbols, colors and patterns are used to show different purpose of land usage. The table on screen show the colors code used to represent the land cover and land use in a map. Observe. Maps can be used to show the population of continent, country, state. Population density maps are those maps which are used to show the population through shading. We first estimate the total number of people living in a place, then we measure the area of the place and then divide the number of people by the area of the place. For example, in area of place is 100 square kilometers and 10,000 people live in it. Then the population density of the village is 100 per square kilometer. The table on the screen given the population density of some place states of India according to the census 2011. Observe the table and color the state in the map according to the density of population as given in the index by dragging and dropping the brush on the map. Next, conventional symbol on maps. Here, point symbol and line symbols and area symbol mentioned. Map makers generally use their own symbols, but some symbols are used conventionally by all the map makers. In our country, the conventions used by Survey of India are followed by all the map makers. The conventional symbols are called as the topo sheet of Survey of India. Now, let us discuss about relief features on maps. Relief features are the features related to the landscape of a particular area. They include all the major physical features of the earth like mountains, plains, desert, plateaus and islands. As the height of places cannot be represented on a flat map, a special symbol called contour or contour lines is used. Let us see what is contour lines. A contour line is a line joining the places with some common features. Contour lines are also called as isolines. Contour lines will be irregular in shapes depending upon the landform. See the picture here. This is gently slope of contour lines and steep slope. Next one, what is atlas? An atlas is a collection of maps usually arranged and according to the different themes. Open the school atlas and look at the list of all maps shown in it. You can find out much useful information about different places and use it to imagine life of people and living there. Can you imagine the life of people living in Arunachal Pradesh based on the information on the same themes from the atlas? Thank you.